In this video, I will show you how to download your data on TikTok. Open up TikTok, log into your account. Push on these three lines or dots in the upper right corner. Come down and push on Settings and Privacy. Press on Account. Then download your data. Press here, All Data. Select All Data. Press Request Data. It says here, when your file is ready for download, it'll be available for 4 days. So come back in 4 days, and your file will be here ready to be downloaded. And that's how you do it, guys. How to download your data on TikTok.